Now we need to sew the pulp and peel together. The side with the slipped stitches is the back of the pulp. So this is the front side of the pulp. Align the front of the pulp with the front of the peel horizontally. Insert the pear pulp into the pear peel, gently pressing it in place. If the peel feels too loose, try using the needle and yellow yarn to sew the two pieces, peel and pulp, together after the eyes installation. Now we need to sew the stem and peel together. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle. We need to sew it on round one of the peel. Put the stem on with the yarn tail to the left. Insert the needle into the stitch at the center point of the peel and bring it up under the next stitch from right to left. Draw the yarn through. Insert needle into the edge stitch on the side of the stem and draw yarn through. Insert the needle into the end stitch and bring it out of the other end stitch to secure the stem. Insert the needle into the edge stitch of stem again. Draw yarn through. Don't pull tight. Insert needle back into the ring left between the stitches and pull tight to make a knot. And insert the needle inside and pull it through somewhere on the other side of the peel. And poke the yarn tail back inside to hide it. Cut off the excess yarn and hide it well. Finish sewing the stem. Take out the leaf part of the pear. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle. We need to sew the leaf piece on the left side of the stem. Insert the needle into the stitch at the center point of the peel and bring it up under the next stitch from right to left. Draw the yarn through. Repeat at the edge stitch on the tip of the leaf and draw yarn through. From the stitch where the needle exited the peel, reinsert it into the next stitch. Insert the needle into the edge stitch of leaf again, draw yarn through, don't pull tight. Insert needle back into the ring, left between the stitches and pull tight to make a knot. And insert the needle inside and pull it through somewhere on the other side of the peel. Slide the needle under the stitches, not over, so the yarn tail stays hidden within the fabric. Repeat to hide the yarn tail. Cut off the excess yarn and hide it. Now let's paste the eyes of the pear. Now we need to add the safety eyes on round 10 of the pulp, with 3 stitches between them. This is the center point on round 1 of the pulp. Count 10 rounds down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Locate the stitch on round 10 that aligns vertically with the center stitch of round 1. Count 3 stitches to the right. Use the needle to mark the right eye position. Take out the glue stick and melt it with a lighter. Apply the melted glue stick to the position marked by the needle. Quickly press the eye into place before the glue sets. Gently press it with your finger until the glue sets. Finished one eye. Install the left eye on the stitch with 3 stitches on left in the same way. Next, let's apply blush under the eyes. Use your fingertip to pick up a small amount of blush and gently apply it below the eyes in an even layer. Now we have finished the pear.